Are you still screen recording YouTube videos or using fake websites that will never work? In under 5 minutes, I will show you the fastest way on how to download YouTube videos direct to your gallery using a simple app. No stress, no confusion, no pressure, and it's work in HD. Make sure you watch this video till the end because I will also show you the exact setting most people miss that stop the download from working. Now, without wasting time, let's get started. Just go to your Play Store or App Store, depending on the type of phone you are using. Let me access my Play Store. This is my Play Store. And download this app called Black Hole. Black Hole. Tap on Shirts. And this is the Black Hole app. Once it reaches stage, just tap on Install and wait so that the app can download and install itself. Yes, before making use of it. Now, just wait, installing. This app can literally help you download videos from your YouTube to your phone gallery so that you can access them anytime without any internet connection. Yes. Now, let's wait. The app is still installing. For a video that has watermark, this app can literally download that video without the watermark at the same time. Yes. Now, tap on Open. This is the app. Select Allow. This app does not have too much protocol. There are no difficult settings on this app. Once it reaches stage, just rest assured and follow the next step I'm about to show. Just go to your YouTube. Access your YouTube. And look for a video you want to download. Now, for instance, let's just say you want to download this video of mine from YouTube. Now, tap on Share. Copy the link of this video and go back to the app. Open the app for the second time and tap on this black circle, this black and white circle. Just tap on it and see the magic. Just wait. The video is loading now to your gallery. Download completed. Rest assured, the video is in your gallery now. Let's go. Go back to your gallery. You know, without this method, if you download a video on YouTube, it's only remain on the YouTube app without accessing it to your gallery. Now, let's go to the gallery and see if that video is there. Just tap on Photo, or you can tap on Album or Collection, depending what you see on your phone. Yes. Now, this is the video, as you can see. This is the video we just downloaded from YouTube using the Black Hole app. Yes, it's very simple. It's very easy. It saves a lot of time at the moment. These are some of the features this Black Hole app offers you. Now, if you want to know some of the social media accounts or some of the platforms you can download videos from using this Black Hole app, comment the word I'm interested and I will do a full tutorial for you. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.